In this video, I will be discussing the effects of marine protected areas throughout Florida, as discussed in Plan B 4.0, Regenerating Fisheries. An MPA, or a marine protected area, is an area that prohibits any fishing or harvesting of marine species. Although marine reserves are effective at maintaining sustainability, it is important to properly administer these reserves in environments that already have a high level of fish larvae and juvenile recruitment. The Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge in Florida is one of the oldest fully protected marine reserves in the United States. When compared to adjacent fishing grounds, relative abundances of fish species were much higher in this refuge than anywhere else. The waters off Florida are home to 6 regions of coral reefs, but the most concentrated coral reefs are found in the Florida Keys, trailing off the southern end of the state. These waters contain the second largest coral reef system in the United States. The Florida Keys are known as the sport fishing capital of the world, mainly because they bring in $500 million in revenue solely in recreational fishing. The number of recreational vessels in Florida has increased by an astounding 698%. Because of the growing pressure of our fisheries and coral reefs in the Florida Keys, a network of 23 no-take marine reserves have been administered since 1997. It seems that marine protected areas, in conjunction with traditional fishery management, are helping build sustainable fisheries as well as protecting Florida's coral reefs. One example of a specific species that has drastically been affected by these marine protected areas is the spiny lobster. The spiny lobster has been drastically benefited mainly because there's been an increase in egg production in female lobsters, which was not seen before these marine protected areas were put in place. My marine field trip to Matanzas Pass gave me a great perspective on why these marine protected areas are so important. Marine protected areas, in conjunction to coastal preserves, can save our marine environment and provide for a sustainable future.